Hey everybody, so today's video is going to be a haul video. This is going to be the makeup I bought recently. You probably will not be seeing too many of these on my channel, but when I do get a hold of makeup, I will be doing videos like this because I really like to watch them too. But yeah, so I have a little stack of makeup that I've just bought recently. Most of it I am wearing already on my face right now, so if you want to know how I did all this, there will be a video coming up right after this one and probably a couple days after this video. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get into this. So the first things I'm going to start out with are things that I got at the Dollar Tree, and I just recently bought the e.l.f. Lip Balm Tint, and this is in Berry, and you get a lot of product for $1. And I'm pretty sure this was more than that before, but I actually really like this. It's really, quick to put on. It does not last a long time, but I have another one in here that does. This probably lasts like about an hour, but it's $1, so like why not? Maybe like a couple hours if you're not eating. But yeah, so I got this at Dollar Tree. And then the other thing I got at Dollar Tree, which I think is a pretty good dupe for the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula, right here. And this is the LA Colors. I think this is powder, just regular like face powder. It is not a bronzer. Yeah, pressed powder. And this one is in tan. And it's like a neutral brown, like this. Pretty thin pan, but again, $1. And it's a neutral brown, and I've been using it for like bronzing. Basically, I have it on today too as well, and I really, really like this. Like a lot. So if I ever run out of this, I kind of will just go buy these. Not gonna lie. So I do really like the way this smells, so I don't know, like if I ain't got money, I'm going to Dollar Tree, bitch. So yeah, so these are both really good things that I've been loving from there. I've been using these so much recently, so I would highly recommend if you can find this one and this one, LA Colors Tan Pressed Powder Compact. Do it, get it, they are really, really good. Okay, and then also for like drugstore, I've got the Wet n Wild Coconut 3-in-1 primer water spray that everyone's been using like for the past like 3 months. It smells really good. It just smells, I love Wet n Wild, but this smells like fake coconut, like body spray coconut, and I don't like that. And I don't really think, from what I've been hearing a lot recently, I've been watching a lot of videos, I don't think it's a good idea to spray fragrance on your face, especially even in like with makeup. It's probably not a good idea from what I've been hearing, but I've been using this for just today because I just got it, and I like the smell of it. It did a really good job at setting my makeup, at prepping it, and like using it. It got a little bit tacky, and it worked to get on my foundation. So yeah, and this I think was like $5. So yeah. And then I also got the Wet n Wild concealer. This one is in Fair Beige. And I haven't used a Wet n Wild concealer in a really long time because the one that I was using before was called Light Ivory, and that one got a little bit yellow on me and it was too dark for me. And then they extended their range, which took them forever to do, Wet n Wild. And now they have a lighter one, which is Fair Beige, and I think they have an even lighter one, but this one worked out really well. Looking in my mirror right now, and I really like how this one works out. So yeah, I went ahead and got this and wanted to try it again because I really like Wet n Wild. And now we're getting into stuff that I got at Marshall's. This is like down the street, so I love going there so much. Excuse me, bitch. That's the freeway. I got the Makeup Revolution Jewel Collection Opulent eyeshadow palette, and it was $5.99. And okay, listen, I think I need to do like an afterthoughts type thing for my channel because I did a video on this and I said that I really liked it and that I would see myself dipping into it sometimes, but not all the time. But to be honest with you, I only really see myself dipping into these shimmers up here because they're amazing. I've tried them all on their own on my eyes and I love them. These are too cool toned, and then there's some warm tones up here. It doesn't really make, this palette doesn't really make sense now that now that I really got to play with it. It's kind of weird because there's cool tones, and there's not even a cool tone like a pretty brown to go with this gold. You know what I mean? So for $6, yeah, it was okay. Am I gonna end up keeping it? Maybe, because I like the, the shimmers, But if I really didn't care for the shimmers, I probably would just give this to my cousin because like it was only $6 and it's not the best thing ever. I think I need to try more Makeup Revolution just to, you know, see. But it was pretty good, you know, for, you know, what I got for it, $6. And then also from from Marshalls, I got the Lorac. I don't have the box anymore because I threw it away. Alter Ego Hydrating Lip Stain in Headliner. Yeah, I was gonna say Tiner. Headliner. Yes. This one is really pretty. I have it on right now too as well. You get a lot of product. This was only $2.99. Some of them were $3.99. Some of them were $4.99. I don't get that, but like this one was $2.99. And it's a lot of product. It's a high-end brand for $3. Like, why the fuck not? That's the only way that I will ever try, unless I come into money, but even then, like, I don't really go for high-end makeup. But like, this is the only way I will get high-end makeup is at Marshalls and like TJ Maxx, because I don't fuck with paying $30 for a lipstick, bitch. You must got me. Fuck that. And then the next thing I got is the Buxom. Oh, and this lasts a really long time. I've been wearing this like for the past few days, and this lasts all day on my lips. Like, that's crazy to me, because the other lip tints that I tried, like this one, don't last that long, and this lasts a long time. So yeah, even eating. Yes. And then I got the Buxom Top Coat Lip Plump Polish in Mariah, and I put it back in its box because why not? This is only $5.99, and this is such gorgeous packaging. I have it on right now. I really love it. I feel like it does plump my lips up a little bit. A lot of people have been saying online that it's really sticky, and I don't agree with that. It's tacky, but not sticky. I know sticky. I've worn sticky ass lip glosses before, and this is not. So I really like it. And it has a little pretty, like, you know, glitter, you know, thing going on. It's supposed to be like holographic in a way, but not really. I can't really see that. But I still really like this, and I'm happy with it. And then I got the Annette 69 Beauty Creations collab palette from the Jewelry Box, which is a local store in my city that sells makeup. I talk about them a lot, and I really love their store. I've been shopping there for a really long time, and I got the palette, and I have it on right now. Yes, and I really like this. Yeah, like, I really like it. I did like a first impressions video, which is what I did right here, so you'll see this. But I mean, you're gonna get spoilers right now because this is gonna go up before I do that video, before I upload that video. So a spoiler alert, I really love this shit, and I highly recommend going buying it, especially for this one shade right here. I'm not even joking. It's $11.99, but they're all good. But like this one shade is like really like, bitch. This is called Leo, and it's on my lids right now. Damn it. So yeah, I'm really happy with this. And again, $11.99. They have it online too. I'll put the, you know, the link below where you can get it online. But if you live in my city, or I think in Las Cruces, you can probably go ahead and go to the store and get it. But yeah, so that is pretty much it. That's all I've gotten recently. I think I'll be going makeup shopping again really soon, because there's a couple things I need to like restock on, especially my powder. I Wet n Wild one, it's like practically empty, and there's a couple other things that I might get, so I might do another one of these really soon. Not too soon, but yeah. So yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys next time with another one. And as I said, if you want to see how I did this look, stay tuned for the next video, because that's where I'm going to be showing you guys. And yeah, all right, okay, bye.